little circle around him just for a second? I just want a straight line right here. Can you move just for a second? Just me and you right now. You ready? Here we go.
Ryan is about to form the gayest circle pit of all time.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want the gayest circle pit of all time. Yeah, ready? Come on. Honking a pish. Oh yeah. Fucking honking a pish. That's all I can handle.
Wait, keep going.
Oh, okay, you had some. Oh shit.
Well, I want to add to your song because we're a duo.
Okay.
But we're a duo with two other dudes in the band. Yeah. But we don't let them. We don't give them credit for anything. Honking the pish. She was honking a pish. At least she didn't smell a fish. 'Cause that would have been worse. Almost a curse. To a girl that's honking a fish. If she was honking a pish, maybe she just had an accident. Bladder control is a really big issue. Ryan knows the hole that she was using now. They him a bottle of a vagina. We pointed to the girl pee hole. She was honking a bitch. Thank God not honking a bitch. Honking a bitch.
Your ears don't deceive you. We're singing a song called Honking a Pish.
Honking a bitch, honking a bitch, honking a bitch, honking a bitch, not honking a fish, honking a bitch.